Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to add payment methods on your Instagram account. Let's get into the video. So the first thing is that you simply need to log into your Instagram account. Once you're there, you click on this three horizontal line. So after which you simply need to scroll down and you are going to see orders and payment. Click on it. So after that you are going to see payment method. You simply need to click on it. Once you're there, since we don't yet have a payment method, you simply need to click on what add payment method. After which you can either see add payment method, your credit card or your debit card or PayPal or shop paid. So we are going to be inserting our credit card. Let's say you need to choose the one you want to use. So I'm going to click on what credit card. So guys, once you're here, you simply need to insert your credit card details. Begin with the card number, the date, the CVV, and your full names, your country, your address, everything. So once you're done with that, you simply need to click on what save. So guys, that's actually the way you add payment methods on Instagram. Thank you guys for watching. If you face any difficulty doing this, don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section below. We love you all. See you in our next tutorial. Peace out.